Okay, so this is from Label Land. These are these little waterproof and laundry safe sticky dots. And what they're for is to differentiate things, and they're laundry safe, so you can put them on your clothing and stuff. And the sticky dots, they also have some iron-on ones that will go directly on the fabric. But if you put them on the care tag, you can just put the sticky ones on there. You don't have to iron them on. So I put these on. I sent these to us so we could show them to you. But what I like to have them for is for when we have similar items, but maybe they belong to different people. Like maybe we have very similar, shirts, which these are a bunch of my night shirts and stuff, and they're black, but we have other black t-shirts in the house that are different size or different brand or whatever. So like if you had, similar clothing but from different that belong to different people or for different purposes or whatever. So it's a really quick at a glance way to know to differentiate which ones are which. And so they come in different colors and stuff, and you can see I use the kind of a dark blue one here on the tags for my night shirts, and then I'll show you over here. I use these yellow ones for my white t-shirts because we have white t-shirts in different sizes and stuff. So I use these here, and I could put them up in the there. I could put them up there in the neck of the shirt or whatever, but because I have to iron them on, I didn't get out the iron yet. So to put on the iron-on ones. I did get some iron-on ones from them too, which they sent to me so I could show you. But we'll do that later in a different video because I didn't get the iron out. So this time. But these are great. Even if you're not using them for clothing, you could use them to label stuff for your kid that goes to school or daycare, or label stuff in the office, or organizing, I don't know, different, I don't know, files or books or things that you just want to, label something, anything with your identification and stuff. And so these little half-inch labels are really, really handy, and I like them a lot. And it's like I said, here's my night shirts, and I put them on the care tag, but yeah, I could put them up in the collar if I put the iron-on ones on. So good stuff. Thanks for sending that. I'm impressed with these.